Put your hands behind your back. Dude, stop.
What am I doing?
Stop.
What am I doing?
Put your hands behind your back.
Today we're watching entitled couple goes nuts when confronted by police.
On March 15, 2022, officers received a call regarding a male and female involved in an altercation in a parking lot. They were informed that the woman had hit the man in the face with a liquor bottle.
Go ahead, stop. You over here. Right now. Away from the car now. Away from the car. Sir, get over here.
You just told me.
I said you over here.
We're fine.
I don't care. No, you're not.
Yes, we are.
Stop.
It was a little
I
confusing.
don't care. Stop. Both of you are going to stop. So I get another unit here.
I'm not starting.
Okay. You're not saying nothing. Everybody's chilling.
Okay.
Man, you're not allowed to walk away.
I did call 911.
Yes, you did.
I did it by accident.
I got contact with two individuals. Where's my other unit?
Ma'am, walk over here. I'm not gonna tell you again. What's going on?
Nothing. We were arguing.
You got your ID on you?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see it. How do you get that cut on your thumb?
What are you talking about?
Right there.
Nothing. I threw food.
Okay, that doesn't happen for throwing food.
What are you talking about?
Let me see your ID.
I don't have an ID.
Okay, what's your name?
At this, I don't have an ID.
What is going on? Why, dude?
We're just having an argument, man.
Okay, you're not just having an argument because I just had people. Had people calling in saying you just punched this girl. She hit you with a liquor bottle. You're bleeding. You're bleeding from the face.
Where am I bleeding?
On your face. Yes. So therefore, I know that something's happening, and you're lying about it right now.
I had to smash my face into the car.
What is going on? What's happening?
We can handle it, man.
Okay. All right. You're both about to go to jail then.
For what?
Breach of peace.
Okay, so you're gonna take me on charge?
Be cooperative.
I am being cooperative, bro.
Okay. Who is she to you?
My girlfriend.
How long have y'all been together?
A long time, a year.
Y'all got kids together?
Not yet.
Y'all live together?
Yes, sir.
Where at?
Huh?
Where at?
Around. Like,
Where?
I'm not being around. Like, wherever the instead.
Okay.
The officer was going to ask the man about the incident that took place, but the man showed no interest in helping.
You look at me, I'm at large arrested on Oklahoma County.
Okay, where's your ID?
It's in there.
Okay, so you want to tell me what this fight's about?
It's a relationship stuff, dude.
Relationship stuff?
Yeah, I mean, how is it your business?
Domestic violence. Yes, I do.
I'm not
Okay,
sure
where's
that
the
what
next
they were
one?
arguing about
Okay,
is the cops' business.
No, you did.
Okay.
A witness saw you.
Did they get a picture?
We about to.
Here's what's gonna happen right now, okay? I'm gonna read you your rights. You're not under arrest, but I need to read it to you so we can talk about what's going on, okay? And what was reported to us. Okay, well,
I accidentally called the cops.
Okay, well, let me
So
clarify.
I accidentally called the cops.
Okay.
So nobody else did.
Okay.
I accidentally called the cops. There's
Okay. Well, let me talk about what's happening, and then you read to this, okay?
Why are you being so uncooperative?
Because you're not gonna see her and maybe
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
No.
Do it now.
No, dude. Like.
Do it now.
Oh.
I'm gonna tase you, dog. Put your hands behind your
Hey,
back.
film this. They're about to tase
For
me.
what? One
Baby,
taser point.
Baby, they're about to tase
Put your
me.
hands behind your
Baby,
back.
I'm not doing nothing. Baby.
Put your
baby,
hands behind your back.
Finish
Sir.
it now.
Put your hands behind your back.
Tase me.
Put your hands
No,
behind
sir,
your back.
I'm not doing nothing.
Put your hands
I'm not-
behind your back. Put your hands
Tase
behind
me.
your back. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
This cop really is given the most extreme first day on the job vibes. This is so crazy. He doesn't need to pull a taser out on this guy. This guy is not a danger to him. He needs to de-escalate, not just flex on him with this taser. This is dumb.
No, I'm not going to.
I mean, look, here's the deal. They have probable cause to stop this guy. They have probable cause to arrest him. They're giving him a lawful command. He needs to put his hands behind his back. But I'm just saying, like, it doesn't have to go down this way. Not by the cops, not by him. But, man, sometimes when you've just been hit on the head with a liquor bottle, you just got to do stuff.
Put
Your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind
Stay
your back.
there.
No, come up here, babe. Come on.
Sir, put your hands behind your back.
No,
Put your hands behind your
No.
back. Right now you're resisting?
I'm not.
Yes, you are. Put your hands behind your back. Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around. Put your hands. I'm telling you, stop.
Oh, man.
I'm telling you right now.
He's just
Stop.
trying to bait
He
him
left the
into
officers
it.
no choice but to take strict measures.
Put your hands behind your back. Dude, stop.
What am I doing?
Stop.
What am I doing?
Put your hands behind your back.
No! Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Oh! Oh, you're fighting.
Put your hands behind your back is a lawful command. He has to do it.
Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
They did tase the heck out of him.
Stop. Taser, taser, taser. Put your hands behind your
Oh,
back.
tase him right in the... What?
What's going on?
Nothing.
All right. Well, you're being detained as well.
Why?
Huh?
What? I've never been arrested.
Well, it doesn't matter. I don't know exactly why. They just asked me to detain you. So just do me a favor. Hold that.
Okay, it's never a good sign from the cop to say, I don't know why I'm arresting you. Someone needs to know why, or this is an illegal arrest. If she is a witness to some illegal activity, or the victim of some illegal activity, she ought not be arrested. Now, according to what they said, she hit him with a bottle, which means she committed a battery, so this is fine, arrest or whatever. But dude, you gotta know what you're doing.
Arrested?
You're being detained at this point.
Okay.
So I can determine what's going on. Oh, that's why I want to. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know why I'm here. Why he's asking for you to be detained. I understand that. So just do me a favor. We're going to read you Miranda here, then we're going to ask you some questions.
What do you need me to do? You're going to stay right here until EMS gets here.
Do what you need me to do now.
You're going to stay right here until EMS
I heard
gets here.
that. Tell me what you need me to do and I'll do it.
Stay where you are.
Okay, now you want to do that. Okay. Jokes. I'm going to own this. Okay, you need the other.
You're going to stay where you are
I have
until
heart
EMS.
problems and I can't breathe.
You're fine.
So if
you're on your
want me to
side.
die,
You're on your
fucking
side
pull
and
me
you're
up.
fine.
You sit up.
All right, sit up. No, leave him here.
Okay, I
leave
got
him
it.
sitting.
Get your hand off me.
No.
I'm fine.
All right.
What's the y'all do?
Where's the blood coming from?
Don't fucking worry about it.
I think it's coming from.
I remember you shot me 8 times.
All right, you have the right
He's
to remain
good
silent.
with the First
Anything you
Amendment.
say
He's
can
got
and
that
will
part
be
down.
used against you in a court of law. You have the right
Now
to talk
this
to your
guy's
lawyer,
working on the
man.
Fifth
I'm
Amendment.
glad you got that video.
Again, it seems like another cop who's got his first day on the job happening right now.
They were still not ready to give accurate details of the altercation to the officers.
My car too long. He works here. And my car too long. And then he parked over here. He finally came. He parked over here. And I told him to get out my car. And he wouldn't get out my car. And we were arguing. And food was thrown.
Okay.
And I called
Food was thrown.
to scare him.
We're not sure who
and
threw
then
it.
I hung up.
Who hit who?
I called the
first?
cops. No one hit anybody.
What? All right, just sit here, right, man?
I'm good, man. He's a piece of that guy right there. Yeah, you, the one I'm looking at.
Exactly.
No, there's 8 cops here, and he's the only one I'm talking to.
She wants to get him in a vehicle.
Huh?
Hold on.
No, I see him at what? I see him. No, we need a vehicle. Then that's fine.
We're gonna pull probes.
Who's in charge here? Or who'd be the highest ranking?
She's here.
Okay, cool.
All right, we'll get her talk to you, bud.
I just got tackled to the ground for no reason and tased.
Point of fact, they were trying to get him to be arrested, and he was resisting. And then he was kind of walking off. Now, I'm not saying the cops did great. Maybe let me know in the comments what you wish they would have done, but like they were within their rights to restrain him, and he would not be restrained seemingly without being tased. So, I don't know.
No one hit anybody.
Okay,
There was
so
food thrown.
the little bit of blood that's over there, that's from him being on the ground. So he never hit you with anything? You never hit him with anything?
No. The food was thrown. Look at that. The food was thrown. That was all. My leftovers from last night was thrown.
Did you throw it at him or you just tossed it?
No, he threw it out the car.
Okay, he threw it. So you had.
So he threw it out at you?
He threw it out the car.
So
Okay,
were
so
you
he
working
didn't
at the
throw
time? Were you working at the time?
I just got off. I
So
worked
you
at
just
home.
got off work. You were coming out here and you wanted the car.
Yes, because he was supposed to pick me up a while ago.
Okay. And so he was.
His head up.
Okay, so he was supposed to pick you up. You just got off, and then you guys started arguing because you wanted the car, and you started arguing about the car.
Yeah, so I
and
just
then-
told him to get out. And he wouldn't
said
get
get
out.
out.
So I tried to scare him to call the cops, and then
Okay.
y'all showed up.
Classic.
I hung up
Date
before,
night
like,
activity.
I even said anything, and then
And he threw the phone at. And he threw the phone. He threw it.
Here's what one of the witnesses saw from their car.
Are you hurting anywhere?
Yeah, my whole body.
Okay.
You guy. What are you going to jail for?
Have a photo of that real quick.
The probes?
That's all right.
what happened to him? Is he okay?
He's all right. We're
He
just
wasn't
having him
ble-
checked out.
He wasn't bleeding though.
Well,
Before that,
he's bleeding out of his nose, and
I know,
he's
but he wasn't
been
bleeding
tased, obviously.
I know, but he wasn't bleeding before that.
Okay, well, when you resist the police and you get tased, you have a tendency to fall.
He was already on the ground when he got tased. He didn't fall because of that. They tackled him.
You're not going to jail.
I've never been to jail. This will f up my record.
You're not going to jail. Just put your feet in.
Maybe going to jail.
Until we figure out what's going on with you, I'm not going to hold on to you the entire time.
They should just slide in between the sand and that rope. See someone pulling out versus trying to just pull the rope. One gang, 2 gang. That's why I carry my pliers. 2 gang, 1 2.
Did we get an ID on him yet? Anybody have it?
Yeah, they had it when you tased me, dumb.
He's going to the hospital.
What's it like to be piece of partner? No, I ain't gonna know that. You don't want to go now?
You want to go?
I'll go later on. I'm gonna get a point. Get it on camera. What happened to the windshield?
That windshield has been like that for a month. We got pulled over with it like a couple times.
Okay. You know what my face is bloody? Because your cop fucking me on the ground for no reason. Okay.
You ever get your feet in?
Keep going brushing me off.
Was able to lock her out of the car, and then kind of like pulled his car forward a little bit onto her little bit, and then they just kind of kept going down the car, and they would run around the car and hit each other a little bit, and then we get back in the car, and I saw them like hang off the window through at some point, and he's in this car. And then at one point, he opened this door and like kind of had like his neck in his car, like pulled her into his arm. Yeah, and she was like kind of in and out of the car, and he kind of ran the heck.
He'll explain everything to you. I don't know what your charges are or anything. Do you have any jewelry on? No. All right.
The man was charged with aggravated battery and resisting with violence. He was additionally charged with a narcotics violation after officers found meth residue on a glass pipe in his pocket. Meanwhile, officers also found cocaine on the woman, so she was charged with a narcotics violation.
Okay, so it's clear that when they were interviewing her, she was just straight up lying to them about what happened. And they probably are both guilty of some sort of battery based on the witness testimony, but I mean, who knows what really happened. Those cops are not going to get in trouble for the way they treated him, but man, I really wish they would have tried to de-escalate the situation instead of just yelling, taser, 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 and then frying his... That's all for today's video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'll be back soon with more videos. See ya.
Big verdict.